And now, something sweet and short before the coffee break. Hello, my name is Kruno, and I'll talk about measuring temperatures using the Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller board. I want to explain how to program Pico with the MicroPython programming language to measure temperatures inside the RP2040 microcontroller, not outside. Pico is the first microcontroller board by Raspberry Pi Foundation. The Pico family includes Pico, Pico H, and Pico W. Pico H comes with pre-soldered headers, and Pico W supports wireless networking. In the heart of Pico is RP2040, the first microcontroller by Raspberry Pi Foundation. RP2040 has 2 processor cores, 264 kilobytes on-chip RAM, and a built-in temperature sensor. On Pico's board is 2 megabyte flash memory, 4 file system, a micro USB port, and a green LED as well. You can program Pico with C, C++, MicroPython, CircuitPython, and even the Arduino IDE. The internal temperature sensor is connected to the 5th channel of the analog-to-digital converter. Pico runs internally at 3.3 volts of power, and the read U16 method of MicroPython reads an analog input as a 16-bit integer. Therefore, we need conversion. The sensor measures the voltage of a diode inside the chip. The voltage is 0.7 volts at 27 degrees Celsius with a slope of minus 1.7 millivolts per degree. So, when the temperature rises, when the temperature rises, the sensor voltage falls. It was the theory, now the practice. I have taken a basic MicroPython program and added a simple function for visualizing temperatures as bars in the REPL. You can access the REPL from the shell panel of the Thony IDE. I've also added the source code for signalizing a temperature threshold breach. If the temperatures are higher than the threshold, the LED will blink. Another program can signalize 2-digit temperatures by using the Pico's LED, so that the LED blinks every digit with pause between blinks. For example, 12 degrees Celsius, one blink for tens, then pause, and then 2 blinks for ones. It's a simple visual language. A handy solution if you've got only one LED, not a screen. You can find these programs on GitHub. Is it possible to measure the environment temperature using the internal temperature sensor? Well, Pico may report different temperatures than actual ambient temperatures because the microcontroller generates heat of its own. And intensive data processing increases the internal temperature of the microcontroller. We can measure the environment temperature using a dedicated temperature sensor, not the internal one. For example, the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. And we can conclude the internal temperature sensor is suitable for measuring temperatures inside RP2040, not outside. And there's documented and reusable MicroPython source code for that purpose. You can find more information in Pico's official literature and on the web. And thank you. My time's up. Thank you for your patience, and may God and the souls be with you. Okay. On time.